This is the year we're gonna ditch the store-bought cranberry sauce, get some fresh cranberries, and make some homemade fresh cranberry sauce. 12 ounces of cranberries, half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of maple syrup. And we're just gonna cook these up. I don't know if you can hear this, but we're popping. Ooh. Cranberry sauce is done, nice and thick. All of the cranberries have popped. You can add a little vanilla if you want. I'm gonna leave that out this year and just add a little bit of orange zest. Stir that in. And you're good to go. This is so good to literally eat it with a spoon.